Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use back tap on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap where it says Touch, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap where it says Back Tap. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Double Tap. Then select an action that you want to happen when you double tap the back of your iPhone. For example, I'm going to select Control Center. After that, go back and tap where it says Triple Tap. Then you can also select an action that you want to happen when you triple tap the back of your phone. For example, I'm going to select a screenshot. Once you've done that, go back and exit the settings. Now if I simply double tap on the back of my iPhone, it will do the action that I selected, which is to bring up the control center. And if I triple tap the back of my phone, it will take the action that I choose, in this case, taking a screenshot. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.